place is beautiful. I love it.
Hey everyone, my name is Marie and I'm from beautiful Eastern Canada. I explore and travel the world on my own or with friends to escape the 9 to 5. Make sure to subscribe and come along on this journey as we discover the most amazing places that the world has to offer.
Welcome to Singapore, everyone. So this morning I woke up super early to come to Fort Canning. It's a park and it's got a great tunnel that's got a view to the very top, and you see some trees. Sorry, I'm sweating going upstairs. So I've been taking a few photos for the gram, of course. Also, you may have noticed I'm not chewing gum. I've been told you're not allowed to chew gum in Singapore. If you know me, I'm addicted to gum, so it's a nice little adjustment, but I'm doing fine. Apparently, if you are caught chewing gum, you'll be fined $500, so I'm not risking it. Can you believe it's 8:40 a.m. and I'm already sweating like a pig? I'm sorry for that. It's gonna be that all day, so get used to it. Right next to Fort Canning Park, you'll find the Old Hill Police Station. Now it's not a police station anymore, but it's filled with colors. All the windows and the doors are all different colors. The hair had to go up. I can't stand it, it's crazy. So humid. See the Merlion, and this place is packed with people, a lot of people. And it's not even 10 a.m. but yeah, I'm a bit jet lagged. I was awake at 4 a.m. For me, there's a 12-hour difference. Now I got tickets to go to Gardens by the Bay. Got myself a matcha latte and it is heavenly. I had a hard time when I was in the US. They always have sugar in their matcha powder. Changed that. So this one's really good. Hits the spot. I'm really loving Singapore. I'm pleasantly surprised. I wish I was here longer, but I know I'll be back on another layover in 2 weeks. I'll have another 10 hours, so I'll try to make the most of it. So I'm now at Gardens by the Bay and I purchased 3 different tickets. This one is for Floral Fantasy. So that's the first spot I'm gonna check out. So far it looks really good and it's got AC, so it's great. I'm now on my way to the Cloud Forest, and that's where they have the Avatar exhibition, and I believe it's till the end of June, so you might not be able to catch it. And then I'm gonna go to the Supertree Grove, and I have tickets for the Skyway to go up the bridges. It's so beautiful, wow. This place is amazing. Like a child. I love it. I love the concept here at Cloud Forest. It's a garden within the city. I'm now taking an elevator to the level 6 and I'll get a view from the top of the Cloud Forest. Here we go. Not sure which way to go. the Lost World. I'm now going to the Flower Dome. I bought a ticket that gave me access to this one and the Cloud Forest, so the two domes were on the same ticket. I feel this one a little bit underwhelming. It's your typical botanical garden, so nothing too different about this one. So yeah, I didn't stay long in the Flower Dome. I'm now on my way to the OCBC Skyway. It's drizzling a little bit. Look at those leaves, they're huge. They're huge. Alright, so it's a bummer. There were thunderstorms, so they've closed the OCBC Skyway for now. So I don't think I'll be able to make it. Happy days, the Skyway just reopened, so I'm the first one up. And I'm really happy because I have to go catch my flight soon, but I waited about 20 minutes and it cleared out. So let's have a great view. That's it for today. It's my time to head back to the hotel, have a shower, clean up a little bit, make my way to the airport and catch a flight to Bali. I arrived late last night and didn't have time to give you a room tour, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm staying at the Westin Singapore. Let's do it. So when you come in, you have a full bathroom in here. It has everything you might need. Bathrobe, bathtub, a shower, and a separate room for the toilet. And then you can also come through this door and then you have the sleeping area. It's a king-size bed and it's got a pretty nice view. Hey everyone, so I'm back in Singapore for my second layover. So I'm gonna make my way to a cafe. It's called Monochrome Cafe, if I'm not mistaken. It's all black and white, so this should be interesting. After that, I'm gonna go to Haji Lane and I'll try to go have a cocktail at the Marina Bay Sands. So that's my plan for today. I only have 5 hours and then I gotta go back to the airport to catch my flight to Zurich. I got some matcha ice cream and I'm at the Cafe Monochrome and it's melting. It's good. I just wanted a little snack, so that's perfect. Haji Lane is a small street with a bunch of restaurants, cafes, stores, spas. It's insane. I've never experienced this level of humidity. Like, I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, it's 5 p.m. It's a good workout. I don't know for you guys, but I have bucket list items when I travel, and coming to the Marina Bay Sands was one of them. I'm not a guest here, but I just went to C'est La Vie Sky Bar and I had a drink, so I had the great view, so I highly recommend you do it too. Light show happens every night at 7:45 and 8:45, and it's free. I highly recommend you come and watch. So I've been getting around Singapore with the public transport. I got myself the tourist pass for 2 days. It was 19 Singapore dollars. And I have unlimited access to the bus, the MRT, and the LRT, and it's very easy. I've been using it since I got here, and it goes to and from the airport to everywhere in Singapore, so I recommend you do that instead of paying the high price for a taxi. I've made it to the Jewel at the Singapore airport, and it's the tallest indoor waterfall. You can even take a cooking class while you're waiting at the airport. That's so fun. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.